all of you here gathered together for a momentous occasion, alright? So, of course, we would like to celebrate the coming of the latest innovation from the leading consumer electronics brand TCL Philippines. Palakpakan po ulit natin ang TCL Philippines for making this event possible. Alright, so kamusta? Kamusta naman po ang biyahe? Okay naman po tayo? Yan, okay. Naku, mukhang excited ang lahat. Of course, with our celebration with TCL Philippines and kung ano man yung nakikita niyo dito, which we'll be introducing later on. And of course, huwag natin kakalimutan yung food. Alam ko, excited ang lahat sa ating feast for today. But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nikki Diola, your host for today's celebration. I am a PBA courtside reporter and a correspondent for WhenInManila.com. That's why I'm seeing familiar faces here as well. Ayan, mga nakakasama po natin pag events. It's good and it's great to see all of you here. Celebration, kaya nga meron tayong big feast, di ba? And I think everyone is enjoying right now. Nako, patikim pa lang yan. We have our fruits and appetizers right here sa ating center table that you can all enjoy as well. Ayan, and that's why we're all here for a celebration. Okay, so to celebrate and eat yummy food and more surprises coming right you ngayong hapon. And another event before this afternoon. And as I was saying, ayan, before we dive into more of our surprises, let me introduce you to TCL's newest innovation, the TCL Free Built-in Refrigerator. Palakpakan naman po natin yan. I'm sure everyone got to experience it in a bit. Yan ang kita ko na kanina. And you can see it, ito na nga, right over here sa ating main kitchen. Alam kong marami nang nag-quick tour ng ating ref kanina, alright? So, as you can see, it looks so sleek and elegant. And this refrigerator is dubbed as the future of modern kitchen. So, in just a few moments, we'll unveil what's something special in this refrigerator and highlight its top features. As they say, perfect fit, ultra fresh tagline on it, alright? So, of course, our event won't be complete without having our games for today, alright? So before we jump start on our program, we'd like to share our mechanics first. Make sure everyone is familiar with it as well kasi while waiting for our program to start, I think nagawa na ng mga media natin yung ating first game or first activity. Just to, syempre may quick energy check for everyone. And that is the Perfect Fit Photo Challenge, the TCL Free Built-in Refrigerator Contest. Alright, so as you can see, ito na yung ating mechanics. So, all you have to do is take a photo of the TCL Free Built-in Ref, as you can see right here in front. Meron din po dyan sa gilid, so you can also take photos with that as well. And make sure to highlight at least one of your favorite USPs with that, alright? Next step is you showcase your ideas out of the box, incorporate elements that will fit your style sa ating photo, whether you want to take a photo with it na ito, very sleek and elegant kasi siya. So, you can take a photo of it na dito lang, or you can also open it up. Ayan, it's really up to you, depends on your creativity. And once your photos are done, caption it and complete the sentence, TCL Free Built-in Refrigerator perfectly fits my kitchen because blank. Alright, so for sure may mga naisip na kayo. But like for me, my example is TCL Free Built-in Refrigerator perfectly fits my kitchen because of its Gen Z features. Gen Z features, right? So, ayan, ganun lang yung example. Bahala kayo kung gusto nyo gawing mahaba yung caption ninyo as long as you express your love for this ref. Ayan,
give you the most innovative appliance that we have for this middle 2024, the TCL Free Built-in Refrigerator. So the new TCL Free Built-in Refrigerator is finally here, and it has inspired us all to greatness. This product is our first cross-store free beauty model, and it's very innovative with seamless kitchen experience, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek design. It's a major step from TCL, showcasing our commitment to enhancing everyday living with smart and stylish solutions. There are so many things to love about this elegant and functional refrigerator. we are happy that we have two brand partners walk us through, and that's for everyone to enjoy this afternoon. So I won't let you wait longer. Enjoy this afternoon with us and get to know about the TCL Free Beauty Refrigerator. Thank you.
Alright, just hear it from. Lampahan po natin, Sir Joseph. Good afternoon. Yan, good afternoon po. Kamusta po tayo, sir?
Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. So, first of all, I want to thank everyone, especially our beloved media that come here. Actually, this morning my PR agency Brown, we're talking, sabi ko, nako, mga bagyo So, the Zor Media friends kaya will still come to our event, no? And I'm still happy that they confirmed, actually sir, parang sabi nga nila, rain or shine, they will still come into our event. So, I am super thankful to you guys that come here to our event. So, doon pa lang, I'm really happy and it's a congratulations and a win for us for this event. So, thank you.
Alright, Sir Joseph, maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman natin. Yes, Sir Joseph, and TCL Philippines. And for this, so for sure, yes sir, ito maraming na magtatanong about our beautiful refrigerator right here. So are you ready to answer some questions?
Sure, go ahead.
Alright, so as we all know, TCL has been a leader in the electronics market for years. So, can you tell us about TCL's journey and how it has established itself in the refrigerator category?
Yeah. So, actually, a lot of people don't know, no? Of course, TCL has been known for its TV category. But actually, we have a full range of products, not just for TV. Last March, actually, we just had an event for aircon category. It's Freshly 2.0, Full Pro. And then this time naman, we have our first actually cross-door ref. But like what I mentioned, some people don't know that the ref category of TCL started way back 2021, and we started to push all of our products now for single door, and we started for single door and also for two doors way back 2021 and then 2022. And then from 2022 to 2023, we have already achieved 192% growth for TCL. So it's a big win, huge milestone for TCL that even we're here for like almost 4 years pala, we already achieved that kind of milestone. And then now I'm really happy that we're going to unveil our first ever cross-door free built-in refrigerator. So this is actually this year, we call it year of first for TCL. 3 weeks ago, we also launched our first, world's first 115 inches X9 TV, and now we're going to launch our first cross-door or motor-door free built-in ref. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so talagang a lot of things to look forward to for our TCL Philippines family, and we're very excited for that, especially with our free built-in refrigerator right now. So Sir Joseph, what makes it stand out in a crowded market?
Yeah, of course, as a brand, no, and we really want to champion every Filipino's home, not just for other categories but also for it. We're also, nakikinig kami what our consumer demands. And of course, for TCL Free Built-in, what I really like it is about its 521 liters storage space. So, yung iba kasi they feel that their usual one door or two door ref, no, they feel that the space is not enough for their big families. Or even, let's say for example, refs can be used also, no, for businesses as well. That's why we decided that this year, we're going to launch our first free built-in ref. So for this one, actually what I really like is the design, of course. If, for example, they have a good kitchen space, it's actually complementing the ref. No? It has a very sleek design. And then what I really like is actually at the bottom, you can see naman, it's a freezer. There you have a two-door freezer. But the unique feature of TCL that other our competitors that doesn't have is that the other freezer, you can convert it into a normal fridge. So you have an option that, for example, okay, I don't have any cold cuts, no? I can convert it into a normal fridge. So unlike with other competitors or like other refs out there, no? Once you have a freezer, it's a normal, it's a fixed freezer. But us, with TCL, we are giving you flexibility to decide if that space you want to make convert it into normal space or like to make it a normal freezer. So for me, that's what I really like, and then that's why also we have our brand partners now later to discuss it, Chef Mike and also Miss Joy Spring to discuss it further. But
Ayan ako, Chef and Joyce, again, thank you so much for being here with us. This is going to be an exciting afternoon despite the gloomy weather. Punong-puno pa rin po tayo ng energy ngayong hapon. Ayan, so of course, nakaka-starstruck na makita natin silang dalawa ngayon. At marami pa tayong activities and questions with them. And for sure, marami rin kayo gustong malaman about their personal experience, about our beautiful refrigerator right here. Alright, so of course, before we start, I want to ask Joyce, I'm a part of the TCL family, and you know, you as the brand partners of the free built-in refrigerator.
Nako, Nikki, I'm so honored. I really am so honored. I'm so happy, and I'm just so excited to be here. It's really a mix of emotions because it's not only that the TCL free built-in refrigerator is a great product, it's also the brand, right? It's a brand that values quality and innovation. And I'm sure yung mga moms dito, diba, or parents, or even individuals who really value quality and innovation in their lives, makikita talaga na napaka-importante yun because everything that we purchase for our homes is a part of our home already. And it becomes a part of our family. So I'm very, very grateful to be here and very, very excited.
I'm so excited to be part of all of this. Dahil, alam mo, when you talk of the TCL, especially this unit, the free built-in refrigerator, it's really about the functionality. It's really about the functionality, and especially as a chef, it's very important that it delivers when you need it, di ba? Like, every day, nasa bahay ka, iba't iba yung need mo eh. And it's very nice because it's adaptable to your needs depending on the season, depending on the weekday, weekend. Iba-iba yung food needs mo eh. So ito siya, very ideal, especially like for me, I don't have time to go to the grocery all the time. Ito siya, you can stock everything you want in one place, pero because it's compartmentalized, hindi siya naghahalo-halo yung smell. And alam mo, very important for me as a chef kasi is temperature control when you want to preserve the quality of your food. And that is exactly why I love the TCL ref.
Design. Aminin natin, napaka-importante ng aesthetic ngayon, di ba? And actually, to share a little bit of my own story, we're actually building our home now. So, we are building our dream home, and when I got the TCL refrigerator, I was like, perfect, kasi it's seamless. Because of course, you want the functionality of a good appliance, right? But at the same time, you want it to seamlessly integrate into the design of your home because you want it to look nice, di ba? So, for me, that's my first impression. How about you, Chef?
Ako, it's very sleek and elegant. Pakita muna ng ref, di ba? Party tayo, di ba? Marami tayo sa ating mga personal spaces. Sabi ko, pakita muna. Di ba, bongga? You can't deny. Very nice color. It blends in, especially sa aesthetic of the, di ba, of the generation. And it's very functional, especially for people who look for convenience, who look for economy, and of course, beauty. Di ba? Yeah.
So, pang-content, sabi nga nila. Pang-content.
Perfect.
It's kind of hard to choose, right? And I think you know, when you become a mom, ang dami mong kailangan i-consider when it comes to buying your appliances. Now, I have 2 small children. I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. At parehas na sila nagsa-snacks, nagmi-meals. So, lagi talaga akong nangangailangan ng good food and quality food. So, for me, I love the T-Fresh technology because that keeps the vegetables and the fruits and the fresh produce fresher for longer. And ako nabawasan yung market time ko sis. Dati every week kailangan kong bumili ng gulay and ng fruits. But now because it's fresher for longer, 2 weeks na yung time ko. 2 to 3 weeks, it can last long, fresh for that matter. And of course, yung convertibles doon, sa akin, Chef kanina, di ba, pinag-usapan din ni Sir Joseph yun. Mine kasi, syempre, hindi naman palaging may frozen food ka, di ba? Minsan, sobrang dami mong snacks or even leftovers. And for me, it's so important that I have the space that I can convert pag kailangan lang ng mga paglalagay ng meals or snacks. But also, at the same time, pag kailangan ko ng more ice kapag summer na, or more na mga frozen food pag busy tayo, pag Christmas season at madaming mga bisita sa bahay, di ba? So, those are just some of my favorites. Baka mamaya mapag-usapan natin yan ulit.
Bahay, di ba? I'm not the one organizing the ref. And sometimes, kahit saan na nilalagay yung mga leftovers and what, and sometimes you have things that may cake, then biglang may adobo, then biglang binubuhat. Sometimes your cake tastes like yours, smells like your adobo, but this one kasi it cleans the air. So it prevents it from, spreading bad odors. And of course, alam naman tayo, mahilig bumili, we have to organize things very well. And especially there are good deals. Kasi when you go to the grocery, sometimes may good deals, di ba? And it's very important, for example, may steak, mura yung steak, bibili mo ilang kilo, but you don't plan to eat it right away. But if you store it in a freezer na 20 degrees below, it stays longer kahit 6 months or even 1 year. So, nakakatipid ka, di ba? And because, ito siya, it's efficient sa electricity. You don't have to, kasi kami sa bahay before, ito, totoo talaga to kasi we have a house in Antipolo, but I stay here in my apartment in Quezon City. So, of course, thinking economical, bibili ka ng maliit na ref, pero mas magastos kasi siya, kasi pabalik-balik kang bumili. It takes so much time going to the grocery. But when I converted to a bigger, of course, TCL, di ba? So, na-organize ko, I can keep stuff, I always like to have ice cream at home. Di ba? Hindi naman pwede yung ice cream ko paghalo ko dun sa aking steak. Diba? So you can organize, and also, yun nga yung point, like, at home, though may katulong kami in the day, in the evening, I usually cook our dinner. It's very important for me to thaw out the frozen meat day ahead, leave it there. So pag uwi ko sa bahay, sear na lang ako, konting kulo, mix lang may salad and all that. It's very convenient, and the size allows you to do that. You can compartmentalize, and hindi lang ako mag-isa. I have 2 nephews who grew up with me. And alam mo, kanya-kanyang needs, kanya-kanyang gustong nakainin. So, this is your shelf, ha? Huwag mong pakialaman yung sa akin, ha? Di ba may ganun, di ba? Kasi in the family, ganun talaga. Not everybody like the same things. May pa-healthy. Iba naman, medyo sinful yung gusto. You can just organize, ha? Wala tayong pakialaman, eh? And may partner section, it's for everybody. Ano ba nag-grocery ka, di ba? Ang hirap kasi pumili ka at hindi kasha. So sometimes, lulutuin na lang natin ito lang. Diba? How many times have you gone to the grocery, bumili ka ng frozen item, dahil hindi kasha na mali yung estimate mo sa size ng ref mo, lulutuin na lang, kakainin na lang natin ito ngayon. Diba? And that's not healthy, ha? O, diba? Ako pa nagsalita. Pero another thing, and it's also very costly, nasisira yung budget mo. Because akala mo, you can store it for next time, kailangan mo na siyang ubusin ngayon. And thirdly, iwas wastage. Yun talaga for me, wasting food is really not just science, but it's also immoral considering the food supply, di ba, how difficult it is for the farmers and all that. Alam na natin yung mga ganyan, and it's very important that tayo in our homes and even in our businesses, we are very responsible in using food resources right now.
Okay, so 3 things. The first one is, of course, the T-Fresh technology. That will keep your food, your vegetables and your fruits fresher for longer. I was telling them kanina na honest review to ha, before, every week talaga akong bumibili ng fresh fruits and vegetables kasi after a while, dun sa before kong refrigerator, madali siyang masira, di ba? And I'm sure alam naman natin, experience natin lahat yan. But with this one, with the TCL free built-in refrigerator, 2 weeks and fresh pa rin. Kakaluto ko lang kahapon yung binili namin from 2 weeks ago. It's still fresh. I was still able to use it. It was perfect. That's the first one. The second one is the Pure Air technology. Yung sinabi ni Chef kanina na talagang odorless siya, di ba? Kasi hindi mo may iwasan siya, di ba? Minsan kapag seafood yung binibili mo or kung ano man yan, mangangamoy talaga siya. And yun yung lagi kong problema before with my freezer. But this time around, hindi na siya problema for us because of that technology. And third and finally, I absolutely love na hindi siya masolid.
Ang mahal!
Has road trips or mga shows that he has to go to. So I think for me, it's also a bonding time for us. And the kids know where they can find their food. Katulad yung sinabi ni Chef kanina, kailangan medyo alam na din ng household mo kung saan na kukunin yung food, diba? Because it is so compartmentalized, napaka-helpful yun para sa amin. Para hindi ka bukas na bukas or hanap ka ng hanap kung saan kukunin yung pagkain na yun. Alam mo na kung saan siya nakalagay. So it's a great bonding experience for the family, but at the same time, it's such a seamless integration into our day-to-day tasks.
As it is, it's already organized in a manner na medyo compartmentalized, diba? You can organize your fruits, your vegetables, frozen vegetables, diba? Sometimes we buy that a lot para mas convenient sa atin. And of course, ako kasi, I always leave the top shelf for ready-to-eat food. Diba? So, kuha ka na ng kuha. And sometimes what I do, I get meats na, diba? I marinate it ahead of time and I just put it into one corner. Para, when I go home, madali na siyang lutuin, diba? Kasi, sometimes na-defrost tayo, it takes so much time, gutom na gutom ka. But if you already store it in an area na properly sealed, alam mo, hindi mangangamoy, alam mo naman, it stays fresh, hindi siya nasisira. It's very safe, it's very convenient. So I can make marinated meats in batches and just leave it there. And aside from that, kasi pa-healthy kunwari tayo, di ba? So I have meron mga salad boxes na nandiyan with bottles of dressing. So anytime you're hungry, kuha ka na lang, di ba? So very easy to use. Yes. And dito, ito talaga yung bonggang-bongga talaga. Is this section where you can convert from freezer to chiller. So depending on your need, kasi sometimes pag Pasko, marami kang hilaw pa. Di ba hilaw na food kasi maghahanda ka. Sometimes hindi mo nahabol. Problema ka, saan mo ilalagay. And sometimes, diba, eto, how many times have we experienced gagawa tayo ng fruit salad or buko pandan na hindi lumalamig in time sa pagdating ng bisita. Diba? That's so true. And if you are not in control of the temperature, hindi mo siya matwik. Paano? Pareha ng may stove ka, isang heat level lang siya. Diba sakit sa ulo? So ito siya, it's a very convenient way to adapt your ref into what you need, no? With what stocks you have, at hindi ka masira. Kasi ayaw natin ng sayang, di ba? Yeah. Ikaw lang. Then hassle, di ba? Magluluto ka just for yourself. So the key really is to prep ahead of time. So what I like to do is I like to make my packs of salad. So pwede mga microwavable or all that. I already create my salad views and I make all sorts of salad dressing. So I will just make a very simple salad dressing. This one is an Asian style salad dressing, and we have here a bit of soy sauce, yeah, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, peanut butter, and a bit of olive oil, yeah. And we'll just blend that together. Yeah, ito. Soy sauce, please mix, and we'll dissolve our peanut butter. This is hoisin sauce. Ito medyo Asian dressing. Yeah. Then we can toast. I will just toast. Or hindi ko na ito toast. Bahala na si Batman. Wait. Yan. Yan. No? And add our peanut butter. Yan. Yan. And we add our olive oil. No? You can use olive oil. Or sometimes I mix a combination of olive oil and a bit of sesame oil. Yan. For Asian flavors. And we just add our lemon. Ganun lang, very simple, no? And what we really want to do is to make this ahead of time and just keep it in our chiller. So anytime you want a salad, kuha-kuha ka na ng konti. And it's very important, lalo ngayon, if you really want to be healthy, you want to know what you put in the food you eat. Diba? Kasi ang dami kasi mga hidden ingredients sometimes, especially if you buy like commercial products and all that. Especially like moms like us. Ay, sorry. Yan. Diba? Parang gano'n diba, you're very health conscious kasi alam mo, like example, ikaw, you have kids to take care of. Pero ako, I have to take care of my own health, lalo na I'm very busy in my career. If I don't watch my diet, I don't watch what I put into my mouth. Delikado ka, you don't know what's going to happen, di ba? So ito siya, having something like this allows you to organize your life better. Yan. So ito, very simple, mag-plate na tayo ng ating salad. Saan mo itong salad bowl? Just put everything. And what you can do, you can have small containers of all these pre-cut and it lasts you for 3 days, even 5 days.
3 to 5 days.
3 to 5 days.
Wow.
As long as you don't mix them up together. And it's very easy. Parang may salad buffet in your own ref. Soy sauce. Soy sauce. Yeah. And ito siya. Social tayo today, truffle paste.
Nagtaray naman ang pa-truffle paste para sa fried rice.
Yeah, truffle paste. Yung gusto natin din. And you can add all sorts of mushrooms. You can add, I'm adding this a bit of smoked bacon. And ito siya, very simple, very easy to do. Everything you can just leave in your refrigerator without, too much worry. And all of a sudden you have a meal na medyo fancy yung dating. Yeah. And ito, we're done. No? Konting season na natin ng salt and pepper. Yeah. And we're done. Diba?
Yeah, super simple. Ayan. Sino po ang gutom na? Ayan.
Marami today. Diba?
Oh, diba?
Ang hinanda, actually, merienda dapat, pero hinanda namin parang dinner hanggang midnight snack.
Gusto po namin yan.
So this is done. Very simple, madali lang, and all that. And it's going to be masarap. Diba? The most important thing is masarap. Yan. Put our rice. Huwag natin ubusin yung rice. Kunwari tayo nagda-diet healthy, diba? Yan. Put it aside. Yan. And we have our chicken. And you have your salad. And now, I will make a very quick dessert to go along with this.
Wow, so we've got a starter, a main course, and a dessert pa siya.
Yes. Which
So once again, we'd like to thank everyone who took the time to witness this significant occasion for TCL. Despite of heavy rain and with Baguio right now, you're still here. So from our team, TCL team, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude towards you guys. So thank you for coming here in an event. Of course, to our brand partners, Chef Mike Tato and also Miss Joyce Pino to do a cooking demo on how we can integrate our TCL free built-in into our normal kitchen. And we also hope this marks the beginning of more exciting engagement like this in the future. So thank you again guys for coming. So yeah, after this we can have a good dinner prepared by Chef Mike Tato.